Yep, that would hurt going over the edge of that. Kind of looks like there's a vehicle way down there already. This morning I was headed to one of my favorite rides in Colorado, Phantom Canyon. I keep coming back, alone and with friends, because it's such a beautiful, pleasant ride. Phantom Canyon Road begins about 120 miles from my home near Denver, in the tiny gold mining town of Victor, Colorado, 5 miles from the town of Cripple Creek. Any type of vehicle can tackle this road in decent weather, as it has a fairly mild dirt and gravel surface. But in some areas it is a shelf road and can be very narrow with extremely steep drop-offs, which can cause the sweat to bead on your forehead. The road was formerly a narrow-gauge railroad track running supplies, gold ore, and passengers between Cripple Creek and Victor to Florence, about 34 miles south of Victor. The train made its maiden voyage in 1894 and ran until a severe flood in 1912 washed out miles of track and 5 bridges. The railroad company chose not to rebuild. As for how Phantom Canyon got its name, legend has it that some saw a ghostly figure wearing a striped prison uniform walking along the tracks one evening. Then it disappeared into the trees. Others say the name came from the many ghost and goblin-looking rock formations along the canyon. I'll show you my selection for how Phantom Canyon got its name once I arrive there. I think it'll be the obvious answer once you see it. But to be fair, the canyon is just a few miles from the state penitentiary, so that makes the ghostly inmate story a little more believable. As I approached the Cripple Creek and Victor area, the fog got really thick. It was raining and the temperatures were only in the lower 40s. Very strange, because most of Colorado has been experiencing a severe heat wave throughout June, with the temperatures in the upper 90s and 100s. Things weren't looking too good as far as filming Phantom Canyon today. Hopefully, this isn't gonna be what Phantom Canyon looks like today.